大丈夫かチェックをするそうです。
Oh, it's hot enough, but not in the part I want hot. Ways the way.
Right now it's real hot, so we're gonna walk in here.
It's not real hot yet, but that's pretty hot. Hot enough you wouldn't want to touch it for sure. That's probably 1,500 degrees or so.
That's how they used to make tools and stuff, baby. That's how they made tools.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
What's that?
It's showing how they made it, babe. No, the blacksmith is someone who makes and repairs iron articles by hand.
You have a blacksmith way back in your family history. My dad's grandfather was a blacksmith. That would have been my great-grandfather. Great.
And see how she's shaping the metal with that tool?
All I'm doing right now is I'm hammering and making a point on the end of this. I'll start off with a nail. Always start easy, because I'm not a very good blacksmith. Let's see if I can get this fire to make the hot spot in the middle where I expect it to be. Let's just put a little kind of shoulder on it. Oops, maybe. Straighten that back out. We'll stretch it out a little bit. So I'm going to stretch it long. And this is kind of like getting the last of the toothpaste out of the toothpaste container. You want to stretch it in from the end back up towards you, right? Like you think you would stretch it long by going that way, but you're trying to push the metal the other way. Otherwise you end up with a bulb on the end of your nail. Then you can't get it into your wall. Alright, so now what I need to do is cut this off and put the head on it so that there's a flat part to hammer on.
I can read it.
So I'm not going to cut it the whole way. I'm actually going to heat it up one more time before I pull it off. But I'm going to actually just cut part way through, and then I'm going to twist it off. And that way it's in the tool I want it in for the next step.
当たりそう手が手が当たりそう
うん確かにね
おすごいわーできたらしいです
Did you get it?
できた
できたと
You got it?
だ
You guys want to see it? It's cool if anyone wants to touch it.
うちもそう次うちのして
お父さんで
冷たい
お父さんでね
できたばっかりのやつ
次お父さんジャマちゃんに渡そう
ジャマちゃんに渡して重っ重い少し
二人言わず方で
Wow. Look at that. Nice and sharp too. That'll work. Sharp.
So it looks like a lot of work when I do it, but if I was a skilled nailsmith, I could make 1,000 in a day. I cannot make 1,000 in a day. I can't even make 100 in a day. I'm just gonna build my fire up into a nice little dome there.
Wow.
So it's taking all of the impurities out of the gases out of it, and it's making a fuel that's going to keep the heat down in the fire. Anyone else? You guys want to feel it? You wanna go feel it? So this is coal. This is what I start with. You can touch it if you want. And this is Coke. Yeah, you can take it with you if you want.
Thank you
乗ったん
Thank
やば
you.
い来た
Have a good day.
じゃあそう
見て貸して危ない
ちょっと待ってこれジャマちゃんに渡し
That's the only Huggy.
貸して
Here
Hey, give me, I want to show it to
You want?
Video.
You
これ
just
どうする
keep it,
もらうって
nice souvenir.
Can I have it?
Yeah, I'm
I want to
Yunosuke asked for it.
I want to
I asked
There's only one. Yunosuke was first to
Ja.
ask. If
じゃあ
Yunosuke
次
was
面白い
first
こ
to
と
ask. Miller, right? So the person that she put it was a Miller that the mill, right? Okay. So we're gonna look at that later, but first we're gonna look at the barn.
お金入っとうよ
So this is a barn. The
Barn.
wagon could cocoa,
Yeah
and they could throw stuff around. Oh, you look at it, bro. It's high, it's like a mezzanine.
湖これ、何ワーゲンのやつここに座るのあ
何の代わりにするん
うわなんか
Oh, a wagon. Look at that wagon. Like Little House on the Prairie, right? Utah? Television drama, Daniel Boone, Little House on the Prairie.
Ew! I touched a spider web.
Where? Cherokee?
This is for the
What's that?
you
I'm not sure exactly what this
This is
The horse and wagon.
wagon up
Otherwise, if you're on the horse, it's easier to lower and unload.
Dude,
Yeah? That door is interesting.
おい、誰？あれか。There's names.
Yeah.
What does this say, Dad? What does
I
it
don't know,
mean?
it's bad, but it's so stupid people. So excited. For her excitement.
見た泳いできたら
ほんとや。出てきたよ。
マジ
でかき。
Where are you guys going?
There's spider web everywhere.
Let's go to the mill house, guys.
Yeah. Okay, let's follow it.
See, the creek is over there, right?
Yeah.
They channel the water over here.
Let's look over there. What it looks like. So Daddy, I want to follow it. Mom.
Oh, you must be stand right here. Right where Ollie is.
It's not,
I want to see.
they're not spinning.
I know. Yunosuke, stand right here. Yuta, stand. No, Aoi, back. No, back. Mai. Go. Stop right there. 3, 2.
So it's not spinning.
I know. I wonder why.
Then what is this? Then what does this say?
Probably put where they're meeting.
What does that say?
Be careful, Dustin. Please use caution.
Please, yes.
痛い。
There's a pan that sits on it. Nice.
竜の家なのか。ほら見た。でうわびっくりしたマジ怖い
言うたわ。
ほら見た
言うたわ。
ゆうたゆうた待ってゆうたあなんか来てるかいや増えしてたりあやんな見てWe gotta go out this Oh一回開けてみて最後まで開けてみてほらさドアみたいやんアリが帽子に乗っとるアリが帽子に乗っとるそう落ちたなんかホラーのさドア開けるときみたいやんホラーの時のドア閉めるやんかった話してみていいからほら音で向こう行ってみよう向こう回ってみよう一瞬こっち行こう竜はビビらんかっただって竜之介がまずおるっていうの分かっとった暗すぎて見えん うわすげえ。あ、これさ、なんか食べ物焼くときにフライパンここ置いてから。いや、フライパン、あ、いや料理するときフライパンここ置いて火をこの
ここレストランして
鍵がどこあるやん。閉まらんよ。ドリアンで怖い。
なんて言ったん？
言うたあ、言うた、リュウ見た、向こう行ったけどおらんねんけど。あ、だよ。行こう。
リュウ俺って言ってるの。